Guys, there's a seagull in someone's house. Look, in that window right there. That's from the inside. God knows what he's doing. And their family's out. But sometimes they are, Billy and his sister's usually in when they go out, but don't know. What is it? Whoa, what is it? Guys, what the heck? I want to go close to it, but I'm in my pajama, in my onesie. Oh God, he's having a hissy fit. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Guys, that'd be it for today. I'm gonna take a photo of that and send it. Oh my God, what the heck is he doing? He's having it. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you. Bye.